Hello everyone, welcome to Totally Dazzled. My name is Linda and I'm with Circle Heart Creations. Y'all come on in. We're going to do a Valentine's craft tonight. Okay, so this is going to be simple craft. We're going to be using this wooden heart. This came from Dollar Tree. Y'all, I'm just going to be using a red here. This is a Paint Couture barn door red. So just a kind of a pink tint to it. All right, so we have our little heart here, and that was a Paint Couture paint. It's called barn door. So I'm going to bring this over here, and we're going to give this a coat of Paint Couture Cozy Beige. Let me bring this heart over here, I think. So I'm going to glue this on here. Let's try hot glue, and how about B7000? This is going to hang off the side a little bit, but I'm not worried about that. Just going to put a little B7000 on here, a few places. Alright, let's try some hot glue here. That's what it looks like with the hearts together. Okay, so I'm using this little pocket, y'all. This is just some old blue jeans of my husband's that I cut the pocket out. As you can see, he wears Wranglers. So I'm going to use that right here. But first, I think I want to, we are going to kind of put some embellishments on here first. And this little heart lace, look how pretty that is. Got this from Hobby Lobby. I love Fabri-Tac, y'all. It's pretty good stuff. Alright, here's our little pocket. I think we're gonna go ahead and glue this on here. And then we'll I'm going to add some flowers and stuff to it. Some greenery and flowers. I think I'm going to do hot glue. We have our little pocket. Now we're going to fill this up with some greenery and whatever I have over here. It's looking cute. This is easy. Anybody can do this craft. So we're going to use this applique. Isn't that pretty? We're going to use that right here, and I'm just going to glue that on there. You know what? We can use Fabri-Tac on this. That's one of the appliques that we've got there. And then we're going to put this applique, isn't that pretty? This applique we're going to put right here. And I think I'm just going to kind of put it not straight. Alright, I think I'm going to use this ribbon here. This polka dot ribbon. This does come from the Hobby Lobby. What doesn't come from Hobby? What doesn't come from Hobby Lobby, y'all? my tail long. I am going to use that little Cupid. That would look cute. So my little Cupid, y'all say to put it on the pocket. I was thinking I could also put this heart on here. Gotta figure him out. I think I like that. I don't know who told me to do this, but we're gonna do it. So we got Cupid from our Valentine pack. We have our appliques on here. We've got this gorgeous heart on here. I gotta trim those tails, but now y'all gotta tell me where this goes. Y'all, that's pretty. I like that. Okay, let's do that. Actually, and how am I gonna do that? I should have strung that on there. You know what? I'm just gonna glue it on for right now. I'll figure it out. But here we go. So we have this wooden heart here came from the Dollar Tree. This heart, the cutout came from Hobby Lobby. Of course, I had this blue jean pocket. There's our appliques, the love, and this down here. This is from our Valentine pack. This one, gorgeous. Look at that. That's from our Valentine pack as well. We have little, just a cute little thing. Love you guys. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Bye-bye.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.